Jackson. I'm one of the TK captains.
I'm captain of Spanish dance club. So basically what we do is reggaeton mixed with like kind of like hip hop. So we do all of like Spanish cultural dances. So that's what my team is going to be showing here today. Quartz still has it in the bag, and every single team that's here today will perform well.
We are a pep band. We play at football games. We kind of just like hype everybody up to play some songs. The songs that are called Land of a Thousand, Kids, and Hey. They're just kind of like songs that will like pump people up, kind of like hype them up for like football games or pep rallies, things like that.
Quartz High School cheer. I feel this is going to go really good. We've been practicing for a while now, working hard. We have a full routine. Right now we're just going to mark it, but on the day of the assembly it's going to look a lot better.
What is the group that you're working with?
Tinikaling.
What is that?
It's a traditional Filipino folklore dance involving 2 bamboo sticks.
Yeah?
I think we're going to do pretty well, as long as we can hear the music.
So you're confident?
Yeah.